Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Gnan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the chapter Circle, chapter number 3 from Math Second. Now, today we are going to study the touching circle. If two circles in the same plane have only one point in a common are called touching circle. These two circles are lie in the same plane and they having one common point between these two circles. That circles are called touching circle. Now internally touching circles. Now in this figure these two circles are given. These two circles are internally touching circle. When circles touch each other, the center lie on the same side of the common tangent, then the circle are called internally touching circle. See, in these two circles, the center of these two circles, that is the center O and center P, center O and center P lie same side of the common tangent. This is the tangent line L at point T, and these two circles are touches each other at point T, only one point. When circle touches each other, the center lie on the same side of the common tangent, then the circle are called internally touching circle. Then externally touching circle. Now in this figure these two circles are having center P and O. They are touching at point T, means its common tangent is this L. Now when circle touch each other, the center lie on the opposite side of the common tangent, then the circle are called externally touching circle. In this figure these circles, that is the circle P and circle O, touches each other at point T, and this common tangent L, this P and O lie opposite side of this common tangent. In this figure the center of the circle lies same side of the tangent, that is the common tangent. Theorem of touching circle. Statement: if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lie on the line joining the center. It's mean that if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining the center. See, in this figure these two circles are touching each other. Its touching point lie on the segment which is joining the two center, that is P and O. This T point lie on this PO. Given two circles with a center O and P touch each other at point T. To prove, point T lie on line OP. Construction: draw segment OT and segment PT and common tangent L at point T. Proof: line OT perpendicular line L. This OT perpendicular line L. Tangent theorem means this tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Then segment PT perpendicular line L. Tangent theorem. These are the equation 2. The segment OT and segment PT, OT and PT are the perpendicular to line L at point T. Means this PT is perpendicular on line L at point T, and this OT is also perpendicular to the line L at point T. One and only one perpendicular can be drawn at a given point on the line. Now we can draw the perpendicular one and one perpendicular on the line at the given one point. There is only one. Lines OT and PT are not two different lines. Point O, T and P are collinear. Point T lies on line OP. In this way, we can prove this theorem of a touching circle. Good day, goodbye, okay.